Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a Hobby Lobby haul. I did go in the other day and I found a few things and I wanted to share with you what I picked up. Alright, so what you're looking at right here is this new collection by Paper Studios and it's called Run Wild. Actually, I don't even know if this is new or not. It may have been in there and I've just never noticed it, but there was just one sheet that I really loved in this whole pad, and also that it has some purple in it. I had to pick it up. So I'll just share quickly with you what the papers look like. The papers are on sale this week for 50% off, so that's why I grabbed it. But you see that super cute little fox right there? That's why I grabbed this pad. If you guys have been following me, you know I have a thing for foxes. And I just love this whole thing with the flowers on top of the head. They're doing it with every single animal and I just love it, and it's so cute, and it's cactus theme and little super cute cats, and then they've got little bunnies, and so that's what made me buy this pad. I just thought it was so cute, and it looks like you get 3 of each sheet. You got some canoes, some arrows, some fun patterns, and then look at the little cute little girl. This is just a really fun pad and I just could not pass it up. And since it was on sale, I just went ahead and picked it up as I cannot pass up cute paper. You know we love our paper. So really am loving the patterns and the colors of this pad. So that is why I picked it up. I mean, look how super cute. I love the fox. And then it's got little teepees. So it's like a little Indian fox theme. I don't know, it's adorable. Feathers. So I picked this pad up, so super cute. It's called Run Wild. I did pick up a few single sheets. I picked up this really cute llama paper. I thought this one was absolutely adorable. I'm working on like a llama themed snail mail and I wanted to do something with this. It's Paper Studios and it was 50% off, and so it's the thin sheet, but that's okay. I can back it with heavyweight cardstock, but I just really like the little llamas. I thought they were really cute. I'm trying to zoom in so you guys can see. Hope that's focused, but that's what it looks like. Really cute. Anyway, I also picked up some glitter. I picked up the white glitter, and I got this really pretty purple, and then I also picked up this really pretty blue one, and of course they are 50% off this week, so good deal there. And then I did find this ribbon right here, and I'm going to try to share with you guys what it looks like all together. If I can put it all in my hands. Here we go. So I picked up all of these, and as you can see, there's super cute llamas. We've got some really pretty swans, unicorns, and then this one says it's a girl. Really cute. And then those fun little stars, and this is all satin ribbon. They were 50% off, and so it made it 50 cents each for each little roll. So I thought that was a good deal. So I want to play with this ribbon right here. I did use a coupon and I did pick up this Sizzix die, and it creates the coffee sleeve, and it's the Caitlin Lazardi die, and there is the number 662777. Yep, it's the coffee cup sleeve. That's what it's called. There it is right there, in case you're wondering. But I want to play with this. My friend Amy, who is my Teddy Boo, she hauled this, and when I saw it, I knew I wanted to get it, but I knew I had to get it while I could use a coupon. So I picked that one up. And then I also picked up this one right here. And I think this one is super cute as well, and it's going to go along with all the unicorn stuff that I have been creating recently. It has an embossing folder, and then you get several different dies where you can actually piece together the rainbow, and looks like, yeah, 11 dies in one embossing folder. And I did use a coupon on this as well, but look at that super cute card that they have on the back for the example and how you can piece together the rainbow and the little unicorn. It's super cute, so I want to play with that. And then last but not least, I did pick up this cardstock right here, and this is heavyweight cardstock, and it's the Paper Studios brand, and I've never bought this one before, so I thought I would just give it a try, and it was 50% off, so that is why I picked that up. And that is my quick little haul for you today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.